Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
I want to see you talk about easily, man. Yo, I'm a run for yo. You talk about man, you're Canadian, me American.
Big up.
New York City, twice.
Big up Canada.
Twice. New York.
Everywhere
Yeah, man. British.
Everywhere.
Whatever, but I'm talking about your nationality right now. Canadian. Yeah, man. America, my thing there, man. New York. One team, you know. British diamond. British diamond.
Yeah, man, I don't do that. England. Alright.
They say ship land.
Yeah, man, the ship land, you know, cause, you know, the ship never land. Kind of plane. Ship dock. Yeah, man, cause plane alone will land, you know. Yeah, man, the ship dock, you know. Yeah, man, cause John, you see?
But empty now.
Yeah, man, bad, man. So them part of people, I mean, you know. Me and them diamond we eat look more, you know, and chat, you see? Yeah, man, box some mackerel on the side to back it up to you, see me?
Yeah,
man, cause I don't know, you know, go like greedy. You see? Yeah, man, so you don't know. People, so it going on.
boy, and the ship
I don't want time there.
Ice, no ice.
I want the car come out fast, girl.
Hey, curry man. Curry man.
Yeah. Curry bad.
Yeah, man, I say things that, man. Curry bad.
Hey, say Ginger up and running.
Man.
Yeah.
Hear that?
There's a flyer move on.
Yeah, man. Like him want to take charge.
Yeah. Break them diamond, break.
Man, boy, a food, man. Bread, man.
Yeah.
Great boy, you know.
Great boy.
The New York chain, you know.
Yeah, they're garden.
I step on him neck.
Yeah, New York, New York.
Freeze.
Freeze.
Man, neck freeze right there now.
Yeah. New York, New York. Just. Talpi.
Italian spice.
Mind there.
Beautiful. Yeah, man. Beautiful.
Yeah. Snow. Finger wear.
Finger, here, me chef. See them one already. Yeah. Dump the truck coming up there, you know.
That was it, I tell him.
Yeah.
Man say half pound of calm in going, but like it last.
Quarter pound.
Last.
5 pound of flour and half
5 pound, you have to go.
You need more than that, man. Yeah.
I need more than that, you know. 5
Definitely.
pound of flour,
Half pound of-
quarter pound of calm in. I need more.
That last, man. That last, man. Last, boy, yeah, man.
the half a flour, 2 little piece of meat on it. Now for people, you hear that?
See?
See me? 2 little piece of meat on it right now. Brush off my teeth, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
A good chef.
Then down, worry yourself, man. Chicken and rice later. Yo, Keno, I can go to the road, I go with the party now.
Yeah.
You hear that? Who are them two?
One time. One time.
Well, not corner rice, I feel look more. You hear that?
Yeah.
Let's see, everybody gonna sleep? Everybody gonna sleep?
No, can't tell nobody got to sleep.
You still around?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, can't, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Watch my ass face, that will start.
Yo, that curry when you cook it, you want rice side out, you know.
That me I tell you, man. Nah, you're going. Man, some bush out yesterday. Man, some bush out yesterday. Be people.
Yeah, receiving Adidas, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Feel nice doing that.
Yeah. I feel nice.
You know?
Yes.
Cool, no?
Everyone give them a big.
Yes, Prince.
Big man friend.
Happy.
Same thing, said, man. Yo, what's the mess of my plan one day, I go back and give me a
Spraga to the Benz.
I go and hold a moment.
Yeah.
Circle something. You have a time there, you know?
Yeah.
A moment. My moment.
Your moment now.
Yeah, you know, in a night by talk, you know.
Yeah.
The circle people.
Yeah. You know, man. You know anything, man. Much here's the boss that come from the road, yeah? Cool breeze.
Hey, I want to drive like a joke. I'm a good one. Come on, what's
Oh dear. No fear. Oh.
good life.
Good. Oh dear. Drinking out and bad.
Yeah, man.
Something.
Ginger out in the cold.
Yeah. Getting all the cold.
Drift inside.
Expose you for good life.
Yeah, man, you're a boss. Yeah. You're a boss.
We should be a pineapple.
Apple pie. Apple pie.
Friends, now a girl figure. Yeah, man. Yeah. I say we could share. She can straighten me out. Yeah, friends. Yeah. Now a girl figure to straighten me out. Yeah. Yeah, man. So nail it then up. The girl is straighten out nail. Yeah. You go do it.
man, apple pie.
Life on now, one life. Together. Yeah, man. And I'm here to tell you, you might not great business in the reward now, but something when you line up and sleep, like that. And that's so important. I mean, some more you like, you know, and the things thing, the hell, I'm going to come from your heart and so that really like people have needs and they don't have time to keep them here on our time. That's like I can't do without them. My friend is like say one time, say take cash this year and I shoot. You have to have money for everything, of course. So me I did it. When you can save it, different. Different.
Same now.
Yeah, man. You understand? Carry around and things. But you don't overindulge still. So Marvin and do them thing there. You go to the football, you just pick up a different team. But it's like I say, but no matter what. You don't have a team. You don't have a team.
You see thing where we come do over there. Man, I pray that to you know.
Yeah, man.
So it come like a one package, you know.
Yeah, man, I like a summer class I go over there and I thought me I work with God. I said, I don't know how to start it. And I put on Carl Brown.
Yeah, man.
See me, I need to do and then I start buying to the thing and I understand. So I know the football alone, the holistic thing, you have the cricket, you have the netball, you have the school, you understand?
Everything.
So I that. So when you see them things, they won't know how to from the school side, I go.
Yeah.
You understand? And I knew I could have run up and down boy, you know. You never take nobody else from outside to come and build this up.
We have to do it, man. Yeah, man, we have to do it.
You never come from within, the leadership have to come from within. So it's never rough people, never want to encourage you, never get some
yeah, well, we know that.
Sometimes.
Negative thing.
And that, look at the amount of bad remarks.
Good.
So you deal with it.
Yeah, for real, man.
Continue and key up more strength to you. More strength to you, you see me?
Definitely.
God said.
Yeah.
Nothing I tell you. Everybody have to find their purpose and believe you find your own.
Yeah.
It's like another program. Another charity program. You hear that? You're one different, unique. They just continue to do what you are.
Yeah, definitely.
See me, and you come out with me, I only talk about you non-stop. See me, I'm not
bird on my boss.
Everybody playing their part. You see Terry have channeling energy positive to say, yeah. Them things they may talk about.
Yeah, man, change it. Yeah,
So just go on.
Yeah, man,
Yo, apple pie, man.
Apple pie.
I'm going to taste food, you know. It's done.
What happened?
Tomorrow, man.
Tomorrow.
Today I'm a man, rice and peas now. I don't want a chicken, you know. I don't want to with the chicken there.
That's why I guess we need my chicken back.
I tell you,
The chicken back.
yeah.
Alright, chicken back.
Yeah, we're
Yeah, man, no question.
Wanna fly like bullet, bro. See up on the shades. Eye protector. Not reach.
Jump line, man.
No, don't put them on that. Just put them a different and put them a different. Yeah, put them around where you think they're on the front. So yeah, that's fine. That's what I want. Yeah. Leave it up inside.
Aye! You know, you're the man shoot them. Yeah, man.
Just with one boy. Whoop. You have to go forward, boy. Yeah.
Yes, sir, go on. Go on, this stuff on there. You have to catch it back. No, put it in. Watch it, what?
Let them stay far from themselves. Let them stay on themselves. Are you?
Oh, that Mason Blacks. Turn on. Music.
Time kill you. Okay, now.
Aye.
Kill him on again.
Mason Blacks. Yeah. Yeah, Baja. Roofing. Mason Blacks. Splashing.
Alright.
So now beat him.
We can't hear the YouTube send. Wow. I want to stay.
we have nothing more.
You feel? Bathroom mountain. Peak.
Hold on. Right, this is me dog going, Prince, I swear. Sealer.
So that's the level of the Kino. That's the level.
Yeah, man, you just work with your right, man. Watch that. Work with your right.
I'll make some more custom here.
Hold.
Show some water in it.
Yeah, Malta. Flash you man a flash.
One more Malta.
Malta, $4. Flash you man flash. Malta. You flash a piece of building, quick and fast. I like Prince Buster. We up to the feet. You cry them coming on dollar man. Cry them coming dollar man. Flash on dollar. Cry them come dollar man. Flash them up dollar.
Let's see what that's like.
Material, yacht.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kyria Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.